10 baking soda tricks that will surprise you. Did you know that the box of baking soda that might be hiding in your cabinet actually has a lot of different uses? That's right, although baking soda may be typically used for baking, it can also be used to remove odors, for cleaning, and offers some little-known health benefits too. Unlike most products containing artificial chemicals, baking soda can provide natural health benefits and home remedies. In this video, we will discuss the 10 tricks you can do using baking soda. Number 1. Indigestion and heartburn. There are certain medications you can take for indigestion and heartburn. Interestingly, these medications all contain bicarbonate in some form. Bicarbonate, an alkaline or basic substance produced by the body that acts as a buffer for acids and aids in maintaining our pH levels. Baking soda and bicarbonate are two closely related substances. Since these medications help relieve symptoms of indigestion and heartburn, baking soda would be even more effective, according to Julian Whitaker, founder and medical director of the Whitaker Wellness Institute. To relieve these symptoms, try mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a cup of water and drinking it within an hour after eating. Number 2. Kidney disease. People with kidney disease or kidney failure often have a buildup of acid in their body and have a difficult time getting rid of it. However, sodium bicarbonate, which is another name for baking soda, actually slowed the rate of kidney decline by 2/3, according to a recent study conducted by British researchers. To support kidney health, mix a teaspoon of baking soda powder with 1.5 liters of water and drink throughout the day. Number 3. Deodorant. If you're looking to stay away from all the chemicals found in deodorants, baking soda works as a natural deodorant. It reduces the acidity of sweat, according to Dr. John Henderson Lamb of the University of Oklahoma School of Medicine. To make your own deodorant, simply combine a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a small amount of lukewarm water in a bowl and stir to form a paste. Number 4. Whitens Teeth. If you want whiter teeth but want to avoid harsh ingredients found in most whitening products, baking soda is a wonderful alternative. So how does it work? Due to baking soda's mild abrasive properties, it can get rid of the substances that stains teeth. In addition, it also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. This can help fight bacteria, which could lead to tooth decay and gum disease. To whiten your teeth, combine a few drops of water and half a teaspoon of baking soda in a small bowl. Apply this to your teeth and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Number 5. Mouthwash. Since baking soda can fight against bacteria, did you know that it can also act as a mouthwash? Baking soda can get into the corners and crevices of your teeth, tongue, and gums that your toothbrush can't reach. To make the mouthwash, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with half a glass of warm water. Before we continue, if you're liking this video so far, please give us a like and tell us in the comments section below if you use baking soda in other ways. We'd like to know. Number 6. Canker Sores. Canker sore is a shallow and painful ulcer or sore in the mouth. It can make eating and talking uncomfortable. However, baking soda can do just the trick to relieve canker sores. The mouth can be quite acidic, which can further irritate your canker sore. When you use baking soda, it will neutralize the acid, which can allow the ulcer to heal without irritation. Using your finger or a cotton swab, apply baking soda directly to the canker sore. Leave it on for a few minutes, then thoroughly rinse your mouth with lukewarm water. Number 7. Itchy skin and sunburn. Baking soda can also be used to relieve itchy skin and sunburn. It can help relieve the stinging sensation caused by sunburn as well as the redness caused by itching. Baking soda can be found in a variety of over-the-counter products, but as an alternative, you can create your own paste using baking soda or make a baking soda bath by simply mixing it into your bath water until it's dissolved. Number 8. Improves exercise performance. When you exercise, oftentimes you will experience burning sensations in your muscles. This is due to the buildup of lactic acid in the muscles, which increases the acidity of the cells. This is usually temporary, although it may cause discomfort and can affect your performance. Luckily, you can remedy this issue using baking soda. A study was conducted by scientists at the National Taiwan College of Physical Education, where they had participants take baking soda before exercising. Results show that their blood lactate levels increased, whereas their fatigue reduced. What does this mean? Although the lactic acid still increased in the muscles, the participants were able to exercise longer. Number 9. Whitens Clothes. Similar to how baking soda can help whiten your teeth, it can whiten your clothes as well. It works by interacting with the acid in the stains, which can help remove them and produce a whitening effect on the clothes. Number 10. Removes carpet stain. Removing carpet stains can be either tedious as it's quite difficult to get rid of. Unfortunately, some stain removal products have lots of harsh chemicals. If you want to get rid of stains naturally, many cleaning products contain an ingredient called carbonic acid. Carbonic acid can be made by simply mixing baking soda and vinegar together. These two ingredients will react with one another, which can help remove the stubborn carpet stain. All in all, those were the 10 tricks you can do using baking soda. It's clear that baking soda is a versatile product that can provide health benefits and be used in various home remedies. Many people have found that using natural remedies and herbal medicine to maintain their health has been beneficial. If you're looking to enhance your overall health, check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It contains recipes for tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and a variety of other natural remedies that have been passed down through the generations. Use the link in the description to check out this amazing book, and you'll be on your way to health and wellness. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and see our health and wellness videos. To receive future updates, click the notification bell. Thank you for watching!